Good morning. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a Freddo espresso with senseo, Philips senseo system. As you can see, we have everything ready. We have the ice. We take a piece of paper, and we have coffee. Espresso coffee. First of all, we have to cut, because this paper is too big. We have to cut it. We are making the paper smaller, because if we have big paper, then the power of the machine, the pressure, is not enough to bypass the water inside the coffee. So we open that. And we usually put the coffee inside the paper. Usually it takes 4 parts, and we're making this procedure. Oops. I hope you can see this procedure. We need to make sure that this will remain clear without paper, so that there's no this we need to be clear, and not because air will go out from a spot that we miss. If we think that we have put a lot of coffee, more than should be, we can put a little water here to make it wet, so the water after pass through more easier. So we are ready. Of course, Freddo espresso needs double dose, and we are waiting to finish the procedure. Sometimes it's necessary to press here with your hand, because the water goes out from the sides. Okay, we are ready. We have this. And after that, we're taking the ice . This is the moment that we add if we want sugar. Okay. And we need to add ice, and after that we heating it. We have this result, and we are adding more ice to make it cold. And we are ready. This is Freddo espresso from Greece. Have fun.